Mr. Manu is 4 times as old as his son Audu. 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 76 years. How old is Audu? Now, 4 options are given to us. Before we solve this, I want you to pause this video a little and try solving this yourself. This is a smart word problem question. I want you to try solving it yourself to see if you can get the solution to this question, and then start off the video to see if your solution is actually correct. Now let's see how to solve this. To solve this, I want you to bear in mind 2 things. We are going to represent Mr. Manu's years with the letter S. Mr. Manu's age, we are going to represent his age with the letter X. And we are going to represent Audu's age with the letter Y. And let's assume that these 2 values are their present what? Are their present age. So if these 2 values are their present age, so that means Mr. Manu is X years old and Audu, his son, is Y years old. Now the first sentence is that Mr. Manu is 4 times as old as his son Audu. Now for that first statement, we can now see that Manu's age is what? Manu's age, which is X, is equal to 4 multiplied by Y. So from that expression, our X is equal to 4Y. And that is the first expression we are going to put. Now, having gotten that first expression, they now told us that 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 76 years. Now, 7 years ago, how old was Mr. Manu? 7 years ago, Mr. Manu, let's concentrate on 7 years ago. 7 years ago, Mr. Manu's age, X, will be equal to X minus 7. That is Mr. Manu's age 7 years ago. And Audu's age 7 years ago is going to be Y minus what? Y minus 7. So the question says the sum of their ages 7 years ago is 76. So if the sum of their ages 7 years ago is 76, that means we have X minus 7 plus Y minus 7 to be equal to 76. So if we simplify this, we'll have X plus Y minus 7 to be equal to 76. So X plus Y minus 14 will be equal to 76. So if we simplify this, we are going to see that X plus Y, if we add 14 to both sides, is equal to what? 76 plus 14. And that will give us X plus Y to be equal to, X plus Y is going to give us 90. So this is going to be our second equation. Now come to see that we have 2 equations, X equal to 4Y and X plus Y equal to 90. So we are going to solve those 2 equations. We have our X equal to 4Y as our equation 1, and we have our X plus Y to be equal to 90 as our equation 2. Now from that initial equation question, we are asked to find Audu's age. That's the value of Y. So let's take the value of X equal to 49 and substitute it into equation 2. If we substitute that value into equation 2, we're going to have equation 2 to now become 4Y plus Y to be equal to 90. 4y plus y is going to give us 5y. So 5y is equal to 90. If 5y is equal to 90, we're going to divide both sides by 5. If we divide both sides by 5, we're going to have our y to now be equal to 90 divided by 5 is going to give us 18. So y, that is Audu's age, is equal to 18. Do we have that in the option? Let's check out. The value of Audu's age is 18. So the answer to that question is option what? B, which is what? Which is 18. So whenever you're given a word problem question, I want you to take the question bit by bit, and once you take it bit by bit, you're going to get the solution to that question handy in a jiffy. So that's the solution to this question. With this question, you can also be able to find the value of Mr. Audu's age. If of Mr. Manu's age, if Audu is 18, then if we insert the value of y, which is equal to 18, into equation 1, we can be able to have our Manu's age to be equal to 4 times 18. That will be the value of Audu's age. I know you did learn a lot from the solution of this question. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to also follow and subscribe to our channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.